Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that recently Verasity has broken out another falling wedge pattern on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a breakout. And after the breakout, the technical target that I was telling you was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $3.003. And you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target, by the way, from this low to this high. You can see that it was almost 40% pump, and the price and again dropped down. And if I extend this trend line here, then you can see that it was very close to retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. But at the same time, there was a bullish divergence flash as the price and was forming a lower than previous low. You can see that it was moving down, forming lower than previous low, but stochastic was forming higher low than previous low, and the price and has followed this signal and geared up without testing this previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern as a support. But here we have also found another short-term support as well. If I place a trend line here at this bounce, then you can see that we have found a very nice support here, approximately at $0.00243. That was recently breaking a support here and support here and support here as well. And recent, you can see that again, it worked as a support and the price and is bounced very well from the support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this breakout that has happened on the daily time frame chart from this long down channel. And after the breakout, the price and also broke down this rising wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for IO.net, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Verasity, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that the price and broke out this falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, it has reached our expected target that was here at $0.003, but could not hit this resistance that I was expecting at 3.5, but again dropped down. And while moving to the downside, there was again a bullish divergence flash as the price was forming lower lows, and you can see that stochastic was forming higher lows, and at the same time stochastic was also moving in the oversold zone as well, and therefore the price geared up and did not break down this support of $0.0024 that recently price and has found here. You can see that previous bounce was happened here and almost here as well, and this was another bounce and almost another bounce we had here as well. And recently the price is once again bounced very well from this support. And now we need to keep an eye on the next resistance that is here at $0.0035, a quite long-term resistance we have here. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0035 has been working as a strong support here for a few weeks. Therefore, now it can break as a strong resistance. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this quite long down channel, but after the breakout, the price and broke down the support of a rising wedge. Therefore, the price and dropped down. The technical target was here for this breakdown from the rising wedge pattern, approximately at 2.7, and the price and dropped more than that. And now, if we take a look at the technical target for this breakout from this channel, that technical target will be, by the way, here at the top of the channel, approximately at 1.6 cents. But in my opinion, after the breakout from this channel, if the price and reaches here to hit the target for this breakout, then it can also hit this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.7 cents has been previously breaking as a support here for a few weeks. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. On the 7-day time frame chart, the price and has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. By the way, we broke out this pattern here in the month of January 2023. Then we had a very nice rally from this low to here. You can see that it was more than 655%, very massive pump, but still the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that technical target can be here at the top of the wedge somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.